breaking news coming in related to the attack on actor Saif Ali Khan. This is a big news break. We have accessed the first images of the detained suspect. Now, the detained suspect is in police custody at the moment. He was detained from Chhattisgarh and his image is on your screens. Govind is joining us live on the broadcast. Govind, give us more details about the suspect who's been detained from Chhattisgarh.
Yeah, absolutely. Through the RPF sources, this is confirmed that Akash has been taken in the custody by RPF Durg, Chhattisgarh. In fact, on the basis of the inputs provided by Mumbai police, and now Durg RPF is waiting for Mumbai police may reach there at around 8 or 9 p.m. Then after the rest inquiry will go on, but definitely this is the big input which was collected by RPF Durg, Chhattisgarh, and on the basis of those input, they just taken or detained, in fact, to Akash, who was traveling in Gyaneshwari Express, in fact, at around 1 o'clock and 50 minute, in fact, he was taken in the custody. So definitely, let's see that what all comes out because he is only considered as a suspect. So what all the inquiry inputs will come out, will be definitely sharing to the viewers accordingly. But this is the big input is coming in the case of Saif Ali Khan's attack, in fact, in which one more suspect has been taken in the custody taken in fact by RPF Durg, and now Mumbai police is expected to reach Durg, in fact, to record the statements and rest of the inquiry related to this case. So this is what big input is coming from Chhattisgarh, in which Akash suspect has been taken in custody in afternoon. So this is what we are just breaking through the sources of RPF.
Right, you're saying this is coming in from your sources in the RPF, but what more do we know about this attacker? And I understand, Govind, details are a little sketchy at the moment, but is the police revealing anything? What is it that they are suspecting? There are CCTV footages emerging of a man going in and coming out. Are the police suspecting that the person they have detained could be the same person or perhaps linked to the case, you know, in some way or the other? Can you give us some more source-based information? What are you gathering from your sources?
Yeah, absolutely rightly asked that what all the connection of this suspect, in fact, with Saif Ali Khan case, because he is not, in fact, posing similarly as the attacker was जो अटैकर था जो सीसीटीवी फुटेज में आया था वो क्लीन सेव है उससे इसका मतलब ये वो तो नहीं है कम से कम.
So the probe is underway. Of course, this is a big lead. You'd also spoken obviously to some RPF personnel as well, Govind. Let's listen into that conversation, then I'll come back to you.
सर नमस्कार.
हाँ नमस्कार नमस्कार, कैसे हैं?
मैं बढ़िया हूँ सर. सर वो कुछ गिरफ्तारी हुई है यहाँ पे भी सैफ के मामले में मुंबई पुलिस?
अभी तो से कंफर्म नहीं है. फोन आया था लेकिन यहाँ पे कंफर्म नहीं है अभी.
अच्छा, आपके तरफ से मतलब मुंबई पुलिस का बता रहे कि आपके पास जानकारी नहीं है कोई रस्ती?
नहीं है.
अच्छा, चलिए सर, कैसे?
All right, Govind is live with us. Govind, we heard that conversation. Apologies, I had to interrupt you earlier. Yes, you were telling us more about the suspect. What more do you know about the suspect?
Yeah, absolutely. The phoner which we just played, in fact, this was with the commissioner of Bhopal. But we got the information, sure information through the RPF, in fact, TI of that region, who confirmed that, yes, Akash has been taken in the custody. And we are awaited for the arrival of Mumbai police. Will reach around 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. Today. So further inquiry will be considered after that. So definitely, still we are in the wait and watch. But it's confirmed that Akash, through the sources of RPF, that Akash has been taken in the custody and he is being inquired. And after Mumbai police will arrive to Durg, then after the final stage of inquiry will come out. But the connection, what all the connection of Akash with this case, it's being told that some phone call connections are being, in fact, in this case, जो phone calls की कुछ बात की जा रही है, जो मुंबई पुलिस ने इनपुट दिए थे, उसके आधार पर आरपीएफ ने वही कनेक्शन तलाशते हुए इस शख्स को हिरासत में लिया है। अब मुंबई पुलिस ही इस चीज को क्लियर करेगी
Right.
पूछताछ के बाद कि आकाश का आखिर क्या सस्पेक्शन इस पूरे मामले में।
All right. So about 8 to 9 p.m. is when Mumbai police is likely to reach there and perhaps could quiz this suspect who has been detained by the RPF in Chhattisgarh. Govind, thank you for joining us with all these details. Viewers, we slip into a short commercial break. News and updates on the other side. Please don't go anywhere.